Alright, now recently Samsung's GoodLock team updated the Keys Cafe module, which is a customization module for Samsung keyboard, and changed the entire layout and added some additional functionalities. We've got 4 different tabs: Home, Keyboard, Fun and Extra Order. And here to customize the keyboard, you need to go to the Keyboard tab, and here you can tap on plus button to change the colors, effects and sound. Now, according to me, customizing the Samsung keyboard with colors and effects was a whole lot easier in the previous version of Keys Cafe. But now with this new version, it is slightly complicated for a basic user. You need to tap on this A icon here and then select the specific areas of the keyboard, like this is the normal area here. If you want to change the colors of the function keys, then you need to select function. Then if you want to include number keys, you can include it. Likewise, you can choose the area that you want, and then you will be able to change the color for those specific keys on the keyboard. Or what you can do is you can just go to this option here and select the default presets that we have. We've got some recommended ones and we have got background. And here, many of you guys noticed that we could only change the background color of the keyboard here, but you cannot set the background image for the keyboard. Now that functionality, or let's say that feature, has been removed on Keys Cafe. You can see we have got all different colors here, but we don't have an option to choose an image as a background for the keyboard. Now, many of you guys asked me whether there is a solution for this. Can we get that feature back? Can we pull an image from the gallery and set it as background on the keyboard or not? Now, the answer is yes, we can still do it, but not on the Keys Cafe module. Let me tell you how we can do that. But before we go ahead, if you're new here on the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you find this video informative. And we are currently running a 50% discount offer on the lifetime subscription on Wallverse application. Go ahead, this is the right time for you to buy this wallpaper application. There are some beautiful premium and free wallpapers and some amazing collections as well. Go ahead, check the download link is in the description. Now let's go ahead. To change the keyboard background, what you need to do is you need to go to the GoodLock application, and instead of Keys Cafe, go to Theme Park. Now we've got Theme Park Engine to change the theme of the Galaxy phone. Using this application, we can create our own theme. As you can see, I can tap on Create New here and tap on Next, and we have got various different areas of the UI which can be customized right here. And here what you need to do is just go back here. We've got various other tabs here: Keyboard, Quick Panel, Icon, Volume Panel. Tap on Keyboard. Now this is more traditional way of customizing your keyboard. We still have the previous version of customization option or features available right here. So let's go ahead and tap on Create New. You can see this is the older version of Keys Cafe, where we can customize the keyboard. We've got all these circles depicting different areas of the keyboard, and this was very easy and simple to use, and the GoodLock team has completely changed it on Keys Cafe. But the best part is Samsung always give us options. So we've got both the options now. If you want the new way of customizing it, you can go to Keys Cafe. If you want the old way of customizing your keyboard, you can come here to Theme Park Engine. Now here, if I want to change the keyboard background color, you can select this specific option. Let me just select as black background here. And let's say I want to change the color of the function keys. I can change that. And I want to change the spacebar area here. I can change that. Likewise, we can change different colors on the keyboard. And to change the background, we still have this gallery button. Let me tap on this. This will take me to the gallery. I can select a specific image. Let me choose maybe this image here. As you can see, I have got this image set as background for this specific keyboard. Let me just change this to black. You can see the keys are transparent. I can change the transparency of the keys as well. I can completely customize it with my custom background, which is fantastic. Now, this is how we can do it. So this feature is not gone anywhere. It is still available on Theme Park Engine. That is something which I wanted to share with you guys in this video. It's a quick video letting you know that this feature still exists. We can still change the background of the keyboard using Theme Park Engine. Let me know what do you think. Drop a comment. Do you prefer the newer version or the older way of customizing your keyboard? Drop a comment and let me know. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.